So when you start up the Newbound Network, it will automatically launch a browser window, log you in, and bring up the App Manager. The App Manager has a list of apps that are currently installed on your machine in the Newbound Network, and it also has some settings that you can adjust. If you want to access the user interface from a remote device, it will require that you log in. Just enter your username and password, which the default settings are admin and admin, and you'll be good to go. Be sure to change that once you start up by clicking on the security bot. The default apps in the Newbound Network are designed to be reference implementations. They're all fully functional, but they're not meant to be necessarily that pretty or polished. They're meant to show you exactly how that particular functionality can be implemented. And they're primarily there for you to add those functionalities as you need them into your own apps and creations in order to make the process of creating your app that much easier. Even the fact that 3 of our apps expire in 30 days is really just a reference implementation as well. This is a way that you might want to be able to consider monetizing your own apps and creations. All we did is throw a instance of the Newbound Network out there running a transaction broker that we tied to PayPal on the back end. And, once you get your license key or whatever, the app starts working again. We didn't do anything nearly that sophisticated. We did tie it to PayPal, and we did, basically after 30 days, if you try to click through to the app on the App Manager, it won't let you. It doesn't actually disable the app or anything. It just won't let you click through anymore. That having been said, you should definitely check the App Store often for updates. We're constantly changing things and fixing and updating and adding stuff. So give it a look in there, and if you see any updates, definitely install them, and then you'll need to restart your Newbound Network services, and you'll be good to go. Also check for available apps that we have in the store. We're constantly throwing things in there to see what sticks, so check it out. Another thing you should definitely check out is the Medibot. The Medibot is an app that allows you basically to create other apps for the Newbound Network. Apps consist of libraries, and libraries consist of controls. And a control is basically an atomic app component consisting of commands, which are written in Java, data, which is written in JSON, timers, which can invoke commands either at startup or at a designated time and at given repeat intervals, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the holy trinity of HTML5, of course. And then we have the ability to preview, and it literally pulls up your control in an iframe so you can see it live as you code on it. As you can see, the Medibot itself was written using the Medibot, and so we get pretty meta around here. Anyway, in any case, you can also then publish your app. And once you publish your app, it immediately becomes available to anybody that you're connected with over the Newbound Network, which is extremely handy if you're developing something that controls some device on the Internet of Things or something like that. You can very quickly and easily deploy your apps where they need to go with zero fuss. We try to make it as easy as possible. So in any case, that's an introduction to the Newbound Network, and I hope you found it fun and informative, or at least informative, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.